Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, getting ready to blacken a screw, so I thought I would go ahead and do a video. I've done several videos on blackening screws, but it's easy, it only takes a minute, and it works. So as you see, I replaced this screw, it was missing. So I'm going to pull this screw out of here, and it's supposed to be black, of course. And it's not that critical, but figured I'd make a decent video. So you can see this screw is black, shiny black. Anyway, I'm going to be using a propane torch and a pair of hemostats and a small Dixie cup with about 1/4 inch of motor oil in it. So let me get this torch going. Alright, there we go. So a torch is torching. So you just take your screw. You can use a hemostats, needle nose pliers, anything to hold it. Just stick it in the flame until it turns red hot. With a screw this small, it won't take long. You see how it's starting to color? So you see that is turning red hot. Now you just take a Dixie cup with a bit of motor oil in it. Drop it in, it'll smoke like crazy. Don't reach in with your fingers, this thing is smoking hot. Anyway, you just reach in with the hemostats, and as you see, you have a black screw. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. So, it's not perfect, but it works. And you can do this on a kitchen stove. You can do it with a cigarette lighter if you want to stand there for 5 minutes. But it's really simple to do it. Best of all, it works, of course. So I point the camera back down, hit focus. Okay, the screw is cool enough to touch. And now we can just put it back in. Tighten it down. Wipe it off. And as you see, you now have 2 black screws. Really simple to do this. It only takes a minute. Like I said, you can do it on the kitchen stove if you don't have a torch. And you can do it with a cigarette lighter or a candle. It's just you have to stand there until the thing gets red hot. And then just drop it instantly into some motor oil. It turns black and it will never rust because what you've done is deep oxidized it. So basically like bluing a gun. So as you see, 2 black screws. So it's really simple to do that. It works on any kind of steel. And like I said, it only takes a minute. You can do it on the kitchen stove in a matter of a few seconds. Those blue flames are extremely hot. So this is that 1001. So I wanted to blacken that screw as I didn't have the matching screw for it. And as you see, it looks more than acceptable. You'd never know that's a mismatched screw unless you actually looked for it. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.